feeling good, like I should.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's Jocelyn. I'm very sick, as you can tell. Also the lighting sucks very bad because it's almost 8 p.m. Anyways, I'm gonna get straight into the video because I'm very excited. So as you can tell by the title, I got the Canon G7X Mark II. And just a little disclaimer, I don't need to put this out there, but I'm gonna do it anyways in case there's any comments or concerns. I bought this camera and everything that came with it with my own money. I've been saving up for a very long time, and this is something I've been wanting for a very long time. So I'm super excited I got it. My bank account is very mad at me right now. So this is gonna be a little unboxing. I haven't really looked into anything at all. So let's get right into it. They put everything in this bag from Best Buy, so I'm gonna open up the bag real quick. If you want a total on how much this stuff was, let's just say it's almost $800. In case you're wondering, in case you want any insurance plan, the camera itself didn't cost $800. I actually got like the 2-year insurance plan, so it was like extra. Here's the camera. I'm gonna set this off to the side. So the stuff that came with it was this like tripod thing, which is very handy, and I'm kind of excited to use this because I'm literally having you stand on my makeup stand right now. The next thing it came with was a extra SD card, which is something I really needed because I'm only using one SD card, so after I film a video and edit it, I have to delete the stuff on the SD card so it makes space for other videos. And then I bought this little case because it doesn't come with any protection. So I just bought this little case. It's from looooove. This is the camera. It's the Canon G7X Mark II PowerShot. I've never done an unboxing before, so this is very weird. Also, I might need to have better lighting. It comes with this Canon limited warranty paper, register now paper, I don't know what that is about. And then the guide, which is a very thick guide for a very small camera. So the camera is in this thing right here. Let me put that right there so I don't drop it. And then it comes with the battery charger, the battery itself, and then the little cable for the battery, I think. Or maybe, yeah, I don't know what that's for. And then this little silver paper, and that's all that's in the box. I'm pretty sure you don't really care about the battery. If you want to know, it just says Canon battery pack on it. And then this is what the cord looks like. I'm not sure what it goes to. It might, oh no, it's a wrist strap for your camera. Okay, that's handy. I didn't use that. And then this is what the charger looks like. I might have to charge it before I use it. Now it's the exciting part, the camera itself. So this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Canon G7X. It's so pretty. I feel so basic now, but like, I don't care. I love it. I don't want to break it or anything. Okay, let's see if the battery works. Oh my god. Here's the memory card, just a 32 gigabyte memory card. Woo, dude. Set the time and date. Today's the 11th? Is today the 11th? Okay. I am in America. It's like asking me all these questions, by the way. I know it sounds very confusing. I'm just trying to get through this stuff. This is what it looks like. Okay, so basically I just wanted it for the flip screen, honestly, because right now this is exactly what I'm using, a mirror, and it makes me so mad every time because it's just so frustrating because I never know when I'm in focus or if I'm not in focus, if I'm frame or anything. So I'm a vlogger now. Let's see. How do I start it? Oh my god, excuse me. Hi guys, is it recording? Oh my god, this quality is so good. Oh my god. Hi. Y'all are probably like, please save me. I never seen these parts so clear before. This is like a side-by-side comparison of what you guys are seeing right now. This one makes everything so much more brighter and like, aren't you focusing? Okay. I think I'm gonna marry this camera. Okay, let me stop recording. This is what it looks like. This is the back. Actually, yeah, let me turn it on real quick. So, whoa, dude. Basically, you can turn the flip camera like this, or if you're shooting up at an angle like this, I learned you can also do this with the screen, so you could like see what you're pointing at without like going like this, you know? So I just wanted to kind of make this little unboxing thing really nice. I don't know how to review a camera that well because I only have one camera to compare it to, but basically I am so happy I made this purchase. All my videos are gonna be so much more like higher quality content, and I'm so excited to share that with you guys. And yeah, if you're new, then hi, I'm Jocelyn. Check out some of my other videos. Subscribe, comment down below. If you're out for summer, it's summer break now. I'm working 3 jobs. I will see you guys soon.
Grace, oh grace.